are found where in plants. Like beans, no, like what rice. That is the most carbohydrate. You talk of cassava, you talk of gari, you talk of food. Are they not plant-based? They are what? They are plant-based. Okay? You see, some people are just incoming. They can be divided actually into polysaccharide. What I call it? Polysaccharide. They can be divided also into disaccharide. What I call it? And monosaccharide. So what do we mean by polysaccharide? Poly means what? You have many smaller portions coming together. When you talk about di, it talks about two of those glucose units coming together. And when you talk about monosaccharides, like you are in this class now, for anybody who wants to believe that he or she wants to pass, must operate at monosaccharide level. That is a minimum model. You know that data will be given that in the past. But so what can the disaccharide? So when you need a while, so much get your book there. I bet you are for come on. Now, if you become a polysaccharide member, if the people you are saccharide are starch, what I call it? Glycogen, what I call it? Glycogen. And cellulose, what I call it? Cellulose. Those are complex units that form the carbohydrate. You get what I'm saying now? Okay. If we talk about disaccharide, you can, what I call it? Sucrose and maltose. That is, each of them, sucrose has 2 units. It has 2 glucose units. Now, sucrose or maltose, you will see the breaking down as you go. Okay. For monosaccharide, example of monosaccharide, what I call it? Glucose. What I call it? Glucose. Now you wonder if you are the type that used to run during the transport to your school during those old days. You see that when they see you becoming back down, they begin to pour glucose into your hand, and it becomes cold in your mouth. It's not to supply you directly energy without undergoing any breaking down, because it's not the complex form. You get it down. It goes straight to your blood stream and supplies to your body. But if you are saving sucrose, because sucrose is made up of 2 units, it will need to be broken down. It will take a long time before we give you that thing. You get what I'm saying? Yes, sir. I'm not hearing you responding. Yes, sir. Okay? So even if you are giving starch, that will also need to be broken down. So the process is longer. It will not supply you energy directly. That is why during the transport they decided to give you the single unit to supply you the energy you needed for running directly. And that's why you are giving glucose. You get what I'm saying now? Yes, sir. Okay. And look at the next statement here. It says monosaccharide does not need digestion. Haven't I explained the reason now? Yes, so if you need energy, maybe you are walking, or you are doing some breakfast. If you have to take energy source, you take monosaccharide. Is that not so? Good. But if you are traveling, you are seated in a car, you can take polysaccharide if you like starch. Because it will take a long time before it becomes digested, and at that time your fuel is filled, and it will now give you the energy at the long run, even at the long time when you don't even think of living, you will be living in flood. You get what I'm saying? And that carbohydrate here is telling you that carbohydrate may be polysaccharide in nature, or disaccharide, or monosaccharide. You now see at the base, you can see the blood vessel. Are you seeing it? You are seeing the blood vessel. Okay. What that blood vessel is telling you is that how those things become digested and how they go directly into it. Now let's start from monosaccharide. Have you seen? Okay, before we start that, okay, let's look at the apparatus. The first thing that happens when you take dietary carbohydrate is that saliva is being added to it and produce alpha amylase. What do I call it? So salivary alpha was amylase. Have you seen it? Salivary was alpha amylase. Now that is in the mouth. When you talk about the liver, another substance which also breaks the carbohydrate is being added. We call it pancreatic what?
Alpha amylase.
You see now? There's some key things from the saliva. You also have from the stomach, you will see as you go. And the liver, pancreatic alpha amylase. Okay, now let's look at the progression. The first one, when you have polysaccharide, you know polysaccharide is complex. The first thing is that it becomes broken down into dextrin first. Are you seeing it? After dextrin, it goes down to maltose. Are you seeing? Okay. After maltose, it goes to what? It breaks down to what? To glucose. Have you seen it? And it is the glucose that goes straight to the bloodstream. That's how complex that polysaccharide is, or polysaccharide are. Now let's look at the disaccharide. You know, we told you that disaccharide has 2 units. Okay? The first thing that happens is that if the disaccharide can become broken down either into maltose, sucrose, or lactose. You get what I'm saying? Okay? That is, it has X 2 units. It may be maltose and sucrose, it may be maltose and lactose, it may be sucrose and lactose that are put together to form that unit. So with every one of them, either maltose, sucrose, or lactose are broken down straight to what? They are breaking down straight into either glucose or fructose or galactose. Now let's look at it. The simple units that we can have. Look at, if you say you have maltose, if you say you have sucrose, if you say you have lactose, they are not single units. They will need to be broken down. And let's see when you have glucose or fructose, will give you something. When you have glucose or galactose, will give you something. You get it now. You will see what it becomes as you go. You get what I'm saying? Okay. Now I want to revert back to your mouth. So that in the body and what they produce. The first one in your mouth, we talk about salivary gland. What I call it? That salivary gland produces salivary juice. And that is the one that is rich in salivary amylase. Okay? Now look at the stomach. The stomach is rich in what?
Gastric juice.
I want to hear you.
Gastric juice.
Good, that shows that you are following. Gastric juice. Okay? Look at the liver. Liver is good to supply what? Hepatic juice. Anytime you hear the word hepatic, okay, when you talk about for intestine too, you know you have absorption. So 2 things. Intestine produce intestinal juice and also play active role in what? In absorption. Good. Now you talk about pancreas. You talk about what? Pancreatic juice. Okay? So if I ask you some of these apparatus and what they produce, you should be able to know them. Is that not so? Okay. Now let's look at digestion of carbohydrates now. Look at the next slide. You see